Dear everybody, I am Surat Chamara from our this mentioned upper in this video post, the Green Movement or Milanayaya or Haritayaya Facebook page. This page, you already know that we are talking about economic or business field. This page categorized under that field, and we are presenting time to time the changes in this economic field all around the world, and we are talking about many topics that daily adding to this economic field. So as that we already presented you some post before. If you scroll the page up, you will see above for this post there are some posts we have given about cryptocurrencies in many languages, because in this page we are using 3 languages. One is our home country language, because I am from Sri Lanka. We are from Sri Lanka, so we use Sinhalese language, our mother language, and also we present our regional language, videos in our regional language, mean Hindi or Urdu, or otherwise we, for all our friends around the world, all our fans, we are using, for our fans and followers around the world, we are using English language. So here is our English presentation. So some post before we already explained about cryptocurrencies. Now regarding the cryptocurrencies, we explained there about Bitcoins. Now after the presentation of Bitcoin, I already explained you that I promised you that I will bring you another video regarding the alternative coins for the Bitcoin, or shortly altcoins. So this now I come to prove that promise. So from this video I am going to introduce you the best option of altcoins. So the best option already came to the world for altcoins. It is many altcoins are available, more than 2000 altcoins like Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dashcoin, like that. Here in this program we are going to introduce you the one of the best altcoin now available in the world. It's called Vitae. Vitae launched from Switzerland and also together some Europe countries like Belgium, Denmark. So this project, the Vitae, is not just a coin. There is a big project behind the Vitae. The 3 major online digital marketing fields are online business field are together behind this concept. So Vitae is not coming alone, it's coming with social media platform and the network marketing on it, and also the concept of cryptocurrency. With these 3 major things in the social media platform and its network marketing, is totally the money comes through this business, or is going to invest totally on this digital currency, the altcoin. So we believe in future the value of this coin will grow up, because the reason this social media platform will be popular all around the world, because it made same like Facebook. From Facebook people are not getting money, but from this social media platform people will get money, because they can create some extra income apart from their normal incomes. So then because of this reason, this app will be popular all around the world quickly. So as the reason of that, as the result of that, we believe the near future the Vitae will had a competition with the Facebook, and it will come up more than all social medias, all major social medias, more than. So that's why we are promoting Vitae plan here, Vitae project here. For that we have given, I already mentioned one link below this video. There the Vite CCO Mr. Mandy Sicherman's presentation about Vite is available from this link. That video post already posted in our page before. That video I brought to this video post, and under this video you will get the link to open the presentation. After the presentation, if you wish to create your Vite account, the link to create the free membership is available here also. I mentioned our referral link below this video. So once you comprehend the total Vite project, later you can make your account upgrade and you can be an upgraded or pioneer member. So this is the total and beautiful plan of Vite. So my dear friends, don't be delayed, okay? Understand, study this, and accept the reality and join to the Vite project. This is the game of the age, this age, our age, because in near future all people will going to be winners because of this Vite, because they all going to get financial success because of this very good application, very good project. So my dear friends, thank you for watching and follow our page. Stay with us. We wish you all the best, and we are always stay with you, and we always support you through our page. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.